at all the wonderful candies, buddy! This is the best adventure ever! We should totally grab a giant lollipop.
Oops. Yum, yum.
These cartoon videos look like they took hours to create. But what if I told you you can make them for free? And the best part? You don't need animation skills, expensive software, or even add the soundtrack yourself. I found a powerful AI tool hidden inside Google that can do it all. So let me show you exactly how to create your own cartoon videos with it. Let's get started. First, open Google Flow and click on New Project. Here we are. First, we'll generate our image, and then we'll turn that image into a video. So switch to the image option from here. For the aspect ratio, you can choose whatever you prefer. I'm going with 16:9. For the model, I'll select Nano Banana Pro, and I'll keep the output at 1x. And the best part? You can see that we're generating this with 0 credits, meaning we can create it for free. Now, simply enter your image prompt and hit generate. Our image will start generating, so let's wait for it. And after a few moments, our image is ready. Wow, just look at this. The quality is incredibly high and the visuals look absolutely amazing. You can download the image from here if you want, but we're going to turn it into a video. So click on Add to Prompt and enter your video prompt. Now, switch from image to video mode. Choose your preferred aspect ratio, select your favorite model, and choose the video duration. For this video, I'll go with VEO 3.1 Lite. I'll keep the output at 1x, and once everything is set, simply click Generate. Our video will start generating, so let's wait for the result. And after a few moments, it's ready. Now, let's check it out. Wow, this is amazing. The motion is so smooth, the sound is automatically added, and everything looks incredibly polished. It honestly feels like a scene straight out of a realistic cartoon movie. If you like the result, simply download your video from here. And now, let's create our second video. First, we'll create our second image. So, switch back to the image option. We'll keep all the settings exactly the same since we've already configured them. Now, enter your second image prompt and hit generate. Our second image will start generating, and after a few moments, it's ready. Again, just look at this result. It looks amazing. Now, let's turn this image into a video. Click on Add to Prompt, enter your motion prompt, and then switch back to video mode from the settings. We'll leave the rest of the settings exactly as they are. Now, simply hit Generate, and our second video will start generating. Let's wait for the result, and after a few moments, it's ready. Now, look at this. The visuals, the camera movement, and even the character speaking, all of it looks incredibly realistic. It genuinely feels like a scene from a cartoon movie, and the quality is seriously impressive. But there's one more thing I want to show you. Previously, you might have noticed a watermark on videos generated with Flow. But now, look at this. There's no watermark at all. The final video is completely clean, which makes the result even better. So, if you like it, simply download your second video from here. Now, let's create our third video. Again, switch back to the image option, enter your third image prompt, and hit generate. Our image will start generating. And after a few moments, it's ready. Wow, this one looks super cool. So, let's turn it into a video. Click on Add to Prompt. Enter your motion prompt, and from the settings, switch back to video mode. Now, simply hit generate. Our third video will start generating, so let's wait for the result. And finally, it's ready. Wow, just look at this.
Wanna try some, sweetie?
This time, our character is even speaking actual dialogue, making the whole scene feel like a real animated movie
sweetie?
clip. The background sound is automatically added, the quality looks amazing, and best of all, there's no watermark. So, let's download it. And just like that, you can create amazing cartoon videos using this tool. You can create cartoon stories, animated shorts, or even build your own content around this style for different platforms. And as you can see, Flow can turn your images into complete video scenes with smooth motion, character dialogue, high quality sound, and no visible watermark. The best part is that you can create multiple short clips and combine them together to build longer cartoon stories and complete animated videos. So, if you're interested in AI cartoon videos, definitely give this tool a try and see what you can create. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts or ideas in the comments. I'll keep bringing you more amazing AI tools and tutorials. I'm Trixie, and you're watching Nexa AI. See you in the next video. Take care and thanks for watching.